In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Envato Elements in CapCut. By the end, you'll be able to download an asset from Envato Elements and use it confidently in your CapCut project. First, open your browser and head to elements.envato.com. This is Envato's library of stock video, graphics, motion graphics, sound effects, and more. Use the search bar or filters to narrow down exactly what you need. Think about your project's resolution, aspect ratio, and style so you pick something that fits. It's also a good idea to glance at the file format listed on the item page. CapCut works great with common formats like MP4 for video and PNG for images. When you found the asset you want, click the download icon on its page. Envato Elements is a subscription service, so you'll need to be signed in with an active plan to proceed. If prompted, choose Subscribe to download. Registering your usage helps keep your licensing organized for future reference. Once the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Many items come as a zip file containing multiple versions or extras. If that's the case, extract the zip before moving forward so CapCut can access the actual media files. Keep the original folder structure intact. This makes it easier to find overlays, fonts, or alternate formats that might be included in the pack. Now open CapCut and go to your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you have a timeline ready. In the main interface, click Media to open your media panel, then click Import. This tells CapCut to bring in files from your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved or extracted your Envato download and select the file you want to use. If the asset pack includes multiple files, you can import several at once or start with just one and come back for others later. After the import completes, you'll see the asset in your media bin. Drag it down to the bottom area, the timeline, and drop it on the track where you want it to appear. This places it into your edit so you can see it in the preview window. From here, you can trim the clip's length, reposition it in the frame, scale it up or down, and adjust its opacity or blend it with the footage above or below it, depending on what kind of element it is. If the playback looks choppy, consider rendering a preview or lowering the preview quality to keep editing smooth. That's it. Download from Envato Elements, import into CapCut, and drag it onto your timeline to start creating.